2026 has been a challenging year for a lot of us. I hear regularly from people that there's this feeling of being stuck. And so when I decided to create a women's wellness retreat for this year, October 2026, in this gorgeous part of Italy, Marche, what I had in mind was having the space and time and support to get oneself unstuck and on a path to the next stage of life. And all of us are on different stages of life, where some of us are younger and progressing into a new world as an adult. Some of us are transitioning into the latter half of our lives, and everywhere in between. And I think it's important to remove yourself from your usual day-to-day presence, where you're surrounded by your children, your spouse, your partner, your parents, your coworkers, people who are taking your time and energy so that you can focus on yourself. What's really cool about this experience is not just that you're going to connect with other women who are doing this unsticking, but also we're going to deeply personalize this experience for you. There will be yoga, there will be fun, there will be cooking classes, there will be exploration of this beautiful region of Italy. We're going truffle hunting, we're going to learn how to make homemade pasta, we're going to go into town and explore these beautiful Renaissance areas of Italy as a group, but there'll be lots of time for you to recharge yourself. We will be doing lots of inner exploration using journaling, using art, using conversation, using dancing and joy, whatever you're called to in terms of creating that next phase of your life. What makes it very different from the average wellness retreat is that you're going with a functional medicine doctor, and we will be providing you upon your request. It's not a requirement, but we will include lifestyle genomic testing and an hour-long personal one-on-one consultation with me in Italy to really create that roadmap for you so that when you come back to the US, the last part of the year into the next year, you're really directionally orienting yourself towards what you want to explore, what are your goals, how do you want to live your life. That's, I think, the unique experience that we have planned for you in Italy. So take advantage of our payment plans that we have now. There's a link here in this post. We've made it easier for you to access this plan, this program, this experience, which I think will just be absolutely amazing. We will include the genetic testing. We will include the consultation with me. That's $1,000 right there, just the consultation and the testing that is included in the price of this retreat. So don't hesitate. We only have a few more rooms left. I'm excited to get this group solidified so that we can take this trip together. Vieni con noi in Italia. Come with us to Italy. I'd love to see you there. Ciao.